All right, now let me move this back. Now we have both strips, right? This one is for the back, this one is for the front. And then we have this one that goes here, and this one goes here. And they're gonna look just like that. Now keep in mind, guys, I could have gotten the black ones, but I wanted chrome, and I'll show you why in a few minutes. All right, so the first one I want to put on is these two, because this go over this one right here. Okay. All right, so let me get it ready, and I'll show you how to stick them on. When you put these on, make sure you always look at the top, and the top is nice and even on the top. And the same thing, guys. Oops. Let me get this out of the way. These have the strips in the back that you have to take off. And these come with the strip in the back as well. And the reason I'm doing this, guys, and for those who have been following us in the journey of getting this back to looking the way I want it to look, is that I had a sticker, right, vinyl, which I'm about to reinstall, but the vinyl, I can't take it off of this, and this is all cracked. As you can tell, it's all cracked, and this is all peeling off. Again, it's a 2006. It's a pretty old vehicle, right? So instead of buying the black ones, I wanted chrome. All right, let me get it ready. This is metal. All right, so the reason I took the little plastic off from the top, guys, is because I already installed the other side, and I left the plastic on, and some of the plastic folded, and I had a hard time so taking it out once I actually installed it. So make sure you take the plastic off, and if you get fingerprints, that's fine, guys. All you have to do is wipe it off. Okay. All right, so this is the first panel. Now when you putting this on, guys, just kind of put it there, don't stick it on, just put it there lightly in case you have to take it off and put it back on, because once this is on, guys, it's on. See? Lightly, lightly. Then you get the next one. Then once you have it where you want it, Pretty nice, huh? All right, now we're gonna put on the strips. And again, the same process. Again, guys, if for any reason you decide later on, hey, I don't like this look, then all you have to do is peel it off, take off the strip, buy the black one, and put it right back on. So this is all cosmetic. And keep in mind, it's not gonna go anywhere unless somebody actually grab it and pull it off. And now we take off the strip. All right, guys, all the tape is off. So now we're going to go ahead and install it. This is the first one. Again, you put it on lightly just in case you have to take it off. You get the next one. It's on there. I like it. I'm happy with it. So now I'll make it permanent. And there it is. What do you think, guys? I think that looks real nice. That's nice. It definitely looks nice. And I already did this side. This is my learning portion right here. So both sides have been done. Cool, right? Now, upcoming videos, guys, is on the next video, I'm going to install a chrome plate. I'm going to install a chrome plate in the back here. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. And for those who haven't been following our journey, look on the right upper right and check out the 2 videos in the link. All right, thank you for taking the time to watch our videos, guys. Have a blessed one. Pop smoke. See you on the next one. Peace.